Hello, today we'll show you how to access developer options in your OnePlus 5T. Let's start by swiping up and going into settings down here. Now swipe up once again and go into About Phone. And here we have the build number. Tap it a few times with your finger until you see a message that you're about to unlock the developer options menu. As you can see down there, you are now a developer. We unlock the developer options menu. You can find it by going into settings, down here and into system. And right here you can find the new developer options menu. Here you can see all kinds of things, like you can put the screen to be always awake, it will never go to sleep. You can select a desktop backup password, get logs, select the picture color mode to be always sRGB. You can also do automatic system updates, debugging, enable GPU debug layers, enable Wi-Fi coverage extended feature, and all kinds of other things just for developers. So that's how you access the developer options menu in OnePlus 5T. I really hope this video helped you, and if it did, please leave a like and subscribe.